Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying battery health and current charge percentage, so you know the baseline. Once done, close power-hungry apps from recent and disable Bluetooth, NFC, and GPS if you don't need them. These radios drain standby. Make sure Battery Saver engages at 20% and restrict background activity for apps like social and streaming. This reduces wake-ups and lowers screen on demand. You'll get immediate runtime gains while we apply deeper fixes next. You now optimize system settings and apps to stop hidden drains. Update MIUI and all apps to grab performance and battery improvements. Outdated builds can leak power. Next, identify the top 5 battery consumers and restrict their background data and auto-start privileges to prevent constant wake-ups. Also change the display from 120Hz to 60Hz, turn off adaptive brightness, and lower max brightness. The screen is often the largest power hog, so these tweaks give big savings. You finish by clearing system cache, rebooting the phone, and observing battery behavior for a full 24 hours under normal use. This confirms whether changes worked. If drain remains extreme, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort because it removes deep software corruption. If you want a quicker diagnostic, boot into safe mode to see if drain stops. If it does, a third-party app is the culprit, and you can uninstall recently added apps one by one to find it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.